Hey everyone, got a couple new diecasts today. First up, what I call an appliance car. This is a Toyota Camry. The kind of car you see 100 times a day. And you'd say, why do you have this in a collection? But I kind of like the boring stuff. I like variety, and well, this is a little different. So this is a Chinese dealership model, so that means opening diecast, nice and heavy. This is the latest Camry. They've been making this since, like, I don't know, 2018-ish, something like that. It's a nice red color. You do not have open mesh grills. And good quality control. You've got a nice super glue smudge right here. If anyone has great ideas for how to remove super glue other than me sanding this with like 2000 grit, let me know. Wheels and tires are pretty good. Looks like you have metal brake discs. The red on red interior is certainly striking. You have working mirrors like a lot of these Chinese dealership models have. All four doors open. You do have carpeting. You even have some pretty good headliner detail, which is nice. You have a carpeted trunk. If it'll open, yep. Big dog legs like you'd expect on something more value priced. You do have a plastic liner. You have a carpeted trunk. You have black overspray right there. Or are those chips in the paint? Huh. Might be actually chips in the paint because there might be a black undercoating in here. So, as you're seeing, quality control is not great. You do have a little bit of a hood prop push, which I like. So you don't really need a crevice tool. This is representing, I think, the 4-cylinder, 2.5 liter, about 203 horsepower. You can still get a naturally aspirated 3.5 liter V6 with a little over 300 horsepower, making these reasonably quick, oddly enough. There's your back seat. So, a neat piece. I wish the quality control was a little better. Retail is kind of ridiculous for what you see on eBay. I got this from a friend who bought a 5-pack of other Chinese dealership models. So he was into it for about $70, $75 shipped. At that price, I'm not mad at it, but I wouldn't pay, say, $150 for it. Packaging, just a white enclosed box. Interesting, they're taunting TNGA, which is the name of the platform. Toyota New Global Architecture, which a lot of vehicles are based on, but not exactly an exciting thing to advertise on the packaging. On the opposite end of the spectrum of an appliance car, there's this really weird, quirky thing, a Talbot Matra. It's called a Rancho Grand Raid, and it kind of reminds me of a Land Rover Discovery with these clear story windows, and looks like it's for going on safari. It's kind of this matte army green color, brownish green. Now this is by KK scale, which does sealed diecast, but does give you steerable wheels, which is a nice touch. Details are pretty good. This is kind of a value price band, or like mid-level brand. Interior detail is, again, pretty good, all things considered. I'm not really sure how many of these they produce. You've got a spare tire underneath, which is a nice detail. Spare tire above. Retail's about $89 or so. This was on sale, I think maybe Model Car World. It's kind of on sale everywhere. I think I paid about $40 shipped US, which at that price I'm not mad at. Really neat, quirky piece. I think I only have one other Matra in my collection. I don't even know what the drivetrain is. It's probably a 4-cylinder diesel. Here's your typical KK scale packaging. Open window box in black and gold. So nothing too interesting there. Really neat. I like the quirky stuff, and that's certainly quirky. So that's it for this week. I'm getting due to do a diecast doctor. I've got a few cars to fix, so everyone have a good one. Please like and subscribe.